What is up? What is up? Welcome to the video, and I have the Big Gun exhaust in the box. I have not opened it, so we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna leave my cell phone on because everyone always calls when I'm having a video. I haven't had a call all day long, but I guarantee that thing's gonna ring. Anyway, besides that, so we're gonna open it up. Just got in, and let's get started. So first, you're gonna need a knife. That's not a knife. Ew, this is a knife. So you're gonna open it up and make sure you have a good sized pocket knife. That's always key. Alright. So we about got it opened up. A couple slots here, a couple there. Alright. Put away the little pocket knife. And the moment you've all been waiting for, or at least I have, is, let's see how good the package it is. I mean, look at this. It's nice. They got their name logoed on the box. And right away on the end here, we've got, looks like our tuner module. Plug and play installation, it says right here. Increases horsepower, improves throttle response, installs in minutes, new 3rd gen technology, no computer needed to adjust, plug-in technology, integrated faceplate buttons, provide easy adjustment. All right, you want to see what it looks like? I'll open this up real quick, and then we'll get to the exhaust. Looks like it comes with some zip ties and your plugs and a ground wire. So we'll get into that on the install video, which is going to be coming up soon. I got some work to do for you folks, but I know it's going to be a good one. So, I got some sweet stickers. I'll be putting this on something. Maybe my Yeti cooler. I don't know. Maybe on the foiler. Maybe on a cup. Maybe on my back window. I don't know. Well, there we go. Somebody just messaged me, but that wasn't a phone call. And here we go. Keep it going. We got some nice stout paper, packing paper. More packing paper. Ooh, and there's the metal. Here we go. Nice stainless steel pipes. Go up toward the front. And they plug right in. And then this is what we really want to see. There's more stuffing, and that should do it for the box. Okay. Taped up nicely. Let's get our knife back out. Alright, and there we go. Oh yeah. So which one did we get, folks? You know it? It's the XO series stainless. So if you remember, this one has the same performance, but it's just not quite as loud. So I hope it's not too dang loud, but because I do ride around some places that folks would get, you know, they might not like it too much. And then also if I'm out in the countryside where I deer hunt, I don't want to run everything off the country, off the land. So here's what's in there. It looks like a screen, a spring, a couple bolts. Shall we take it out and get a close-up? All right, let's do it. We've only been in this video for a few minutes, so let's go ahead. See if I can get in here easy. I'm just gonna break a hole up the front. Alright. Whew. Smells like some good fresh metal. They just made this. Check out those welds. Hopefully the camera's not focusing on other stuff, but look at that. That's some nice work. Guarantee you that's a MIG welder. Look at that. This baby's pretty. We're not going to pull that off till after it's on there. Yeah, it weighs, I don't know how much this thing weighs. It feels like it weighs about 5 or 6 pounds. But we'll compare it to the other one when I pull it off. So let me know what you think for the Big Gun exhaust. I know I'm excited to get this going for everyone. So thank you. Good video coming on the install, and then some test videos. Thanks for everyone watching. We'll see you soon. take the old brute force with some noodles on it.